Google is launching a full-stack development IDE called Project IDX, aiming to be the next VSCode. Will Project IDX be the VSCode killer? You can decide for yourself after listening to this episode of TechBites. Welcome back, this is your host Sua, and let's get into it. Project IDX is one of Google's newest AI projects. It's an entirely web-based workspace for full-stack application development with the latest generative AI powered by Cody and Palm 2. Let's take a look at some of the features it provides. Project IDX is a cloud-based IDE that runs in your browser. An IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment and is a software application that helps programmers to develop software codes efficiently. An IDE can either run locally or cloud-based. Cloud-based IDEs allow you to code anywhere on any device, even on devices that aren't very powerful. Because the codes will run on Google's extremely powerful server, more powerful than most personal computers out there. Another of Google's beloved IDEs, Google Collaboratory, is also cloud-based, and many machine learning developers use it for its GPU access. Project IDX aims to make multi-platform app development more seamless and frictionless. Technologies such as Angular, Firebase, Flutter, Go, TensorFlow, and Google Cloud will all be available without downloading separate software. You can even import your existing applications from GitHub. The platform also lets you preview your apps as your users would see them. There will be support for built-in multi-browser web previews, Android emulators, and iOS simulators, so developers can easily preview the app within the platform. In previous videos, we introduced you to many ways of using generative AI to develop software. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write and debug your code. In Project IDX, however, there is no need to go back and forth from an IDE to an AI model because Cody will be your personal assistant on Project IDX to help you enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Cody is built on Google's Palm 2 and supports over 20 programming languages including Python, Java, JS, Google Standard SQL. It assists developers with code generation, code chat, and code completion. The code generation function helps generate code when a developer provides them with a natural language description of the desired project. The code chat function can be used as a chatbot that assists with code-related questions. For example, you can use it to help debug your code or ask how to use a specific function with examples. The code completion function provides code auto-completion suggestions, adds comments, changes code structures, or suggests better variable names. Without the need to download multiple platforms and with the help of Google's newest software development AI, Project IDX can allow developers a much faster, frictionless experience in developing and learning. Project IDX can also be viewed as Google's attempt to compete with Microsoft in building a developer ecosystem. Microsoft owns VSCode, one of the most famous code editors currently available. GitHub, the most popular cloud-based software development and version control platform. And GitHub Pilot, an AI assistant for developers. Project IDX is still an experimental project and is not launched to the public yet. But you can still join the waitlist and get early access if you're an early adapter yourself, so go ahead and check that out. If Project IDX launches officially, are you willing to try it out? Will it be as impactful as to make you drop your current favorite IDE? If you want more episodes of the newest technologies or tools for software development, please stay tuned on TechBites. This was your host Sua, and I'll see you in the next episode.